Hello, in this video we'll go through the transactions and finalization of group reservations. And first I'm gonna create a group reservation, make a deposit, then make some charges to that reservation, and then finalize through the POS. You can also finalize through invoice, but in this demo we'll do the finalization through POS. So I'm just going to create a group reservation. I'm going to select it's a spa reservation and demo group payments. That's the group name. It's going to be 3 people and they are going for 30 minutes massage, 3 of them. And we'll go 1 o'clock today. 2 o'clock today. No, we don't have availability. Let's check where we have availability. 3 people. Today, 16th. Yeah, let's go for 4 o'clock. Yeah, we have availability there. And I'm just gonna confirm this reservation. So now we have group reservation here, and total balance of 156.15, and we got 3 people, and there we created 3 reservations, and they have all outstanding balance. So what I'm gonna do next is we go to the POS. And let's start with just paying the deposit to this group reservation. And the group reservation is number 14. And we will have a paymaster reservation for 14 as well. So I'm going to put a deposit of 20 towards this reservation. So cash it out. So we take another look at the reservation. We have now a deposit here of 20 and there's still balance of 136. Then we're going to do some charges. One of our guests is going to charge these creams to the paymaster. So I'm going to charge the reservation and we find again the paymaster. So this was group 14. And we charge it to the paymaster of group 14. So if we take another look at the group, we now have additional charges and therefore the balance is higher now. So now the group is leaving and they want to finalize this at the POS. Like I said, you can also finalize through the Standard Business Central invoicing from the reservation card. But now we're just going to finalize through the POS. So I pay group, select the group, and we get the treatments, the 3 treatments, the additional product with the treatments. We have a deposit here and the additional POS charges we charge to the reservation. So they're just going to pay cash. And if we take a look at the reservation, now the balance is 0. Fully paid. This was the receipt paying it. You see it's all fully paid. You can take a look at the per person. So the reservations have no 0 balance and are fully paid. And we will just this will be the end of this demo. Thank you.